These Gemini Canvas use cases are insane. So Google Gemini has this feature called Canvas, and almost nobody knows how powerful it really is. I'm talking real apps, full websites, working games, no code, no tech skills, built in minutes. So most people open up Gemini and they just chat with it, ask a question, get an answer, maybe write an email. That's it. That's the whole experience. But there's this other mode hiding inside Gemini called Canvas. And when you turn it on, everything changes. You're not just talking to an AI anymore. You're building with it. Real stuff you can click, stuff you can share, stuff that actually works. And the best part, you don't need to know anything about coding. Zero, nothing. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Let's start simple. Say you're a freelancer and you need a client proposal. You open Gemini, turn on Canvas, and you say something like, write me a professional proposal for a client who wants SEO services for their e-commerce store. Include a project scope, a timeline, deliverables, and a section about expected results. Now, in normal Gemini, you get a wall of text in the chat, can't edit it, can't touch it, want to change the timeline, you got to type a whole new message. But with Canvas, it opens this side panel, your proposal is right there and you can click into it, swap out the client name, fix the deliverables, adjust the timeline, make it yours, then export it straight to Google Docs or copy just the proposal, clean, no chat junk. That's level 1. Say you run a small business, maybe a coffee shop, and you want a landing page for your new summer menu. You don't have a web designer, no problem. Open Gemini, turn on Canvas and say, build me a landing page for my coffee shop called Morning Grind. We're launching a new summer menu with iced lavender lattes, cold brew flights, and mango matcha smoothies. Make it look modern and clean with a section for the menu, our story, and a contact form. Hit submit and watch what happens. Gemini starts coding right in front of you, and in like 2 or 3 minutes, you've got a full landing page, scrollable, clickable, buttons that work, menu section with your actual drinks, an about section, a contact area, all from one prompt. You can share it with a link, show your team, show your partner, get feedback. And if you want changes, just tell Gemini like, hey, make the colors more tropical. Add a section for customer reviews, and it updates right there. No waiting, no designer, no stress. Okay. Now let me show you something that really blew my mind. You can use Canvas to build full tracking apps, like real ones. Say you're training for a marathon, you want to track your runs, your distance, your pace, how you felt after each one. Open Canvas, tell Gemini, build me a running tracker app. I want to log each run with the date, distance, time, and how I felt. Show me a dashboard with my total miles this month and a chart of my progress over the last 30 days. And it just builds it, a full app. You log a run, it saves, you see your stats, your chart updates, your total miles go up, and you can share the whole thing with a link. Open it on your phone, show your running buddy. It's a real app that you made with your words in minutes. Inside Canvas, there's this button at the top that says create, and it's got all these options hiding behind it. Flashcards, quizzes, infographics, audio overviews. So say you're studying for a real estate exam, you tell Gemini with Canvas on, write me a complete study guide covering all the key terms and concepts I need to pass my real estate licensing exam. It writes this massive guide, definitions, concepts, laws, everything. But then you click create and you pick flashcards. Now you've got interactive flashcards, you flip through them, test yourself, mark what you got right and wrong. Or pick quiz. Now you've got multiple choice questions, instant feedback, tells you why you got it wrong, or pick audio overview, and Gemini turns your whole study guide into a podcast. 2 voices talking about your topic like a real show. You can download it. Listen while you're driving, while you're at the gym, while you're cooking dinner, learning without even trying. Let's keep going because this next one is wild. Canvas can build interactive dashboards, conversion rates, all that. You paste that data into Gemini with Canvas turned on, and you say, build me an interactive dashboard with chart, customer growth, and the summary at the top with key metrics. And it builds the whole thing, tabs for different views, line charts, bar graphs, summary cards at the top. You hover over a data point, it shows you the exact number. You click between tabs, everything is live, everything works. It's not a screenshot, it's a real dashboard built from your data in minutes. Quick tip here, I've seen some people try to upload files from Google Drive directly into Canvas, and it just shows raw code. Easy fix, just copy the data from your file, paste it right into the prompt. Works every time. You can take any existing website or tool and basically clone it, not to steal it, but to learn from it, improve on it, make your own version. Say you find a cool habit tracker online, you like how it works, but you want your own version with your own habits. You describe it to Gemini, tell it what you liked about the design, what features you want, and Canvas builds you a custom version, your habits, your layout, your style, Or you could even screen record the app in action. Upload that video to Gemini with Canvas on. Don't type anything. Let Gemini watch the video, figure out what the app does, and build you something similar. Yes, Gemini Canvas makes games. And I don't mean boring educational stuff. I mean actual fun games. Say you tell it, build me a game where pizza slices are falling from the sky and I have to catch them on a platter. But if a rotten tomato falls and I catch it, I lose a point. 5 rotten tomatoes and it's game over. And everything speeds up the longer you play. Submit that. Under a minute, you've got a playable game. You're moving a plate around, catching pizza, dodging tomatoes. It gets faster, it gets harder. And if something's off, you just say, hey, the pizza falls too fast at the start. Slow it down. Add a score multiplier for catching 3 in a row, and it fixes it instantly. You could spend hours just making random games. It's honestly kind of addicting. Gemini Canvas is not just some side feature. It's a completely different way to use AI. You're not chatting, you're creating apps, websites, dashboards, games, study tools, podcasts, proposals, landing pages, all from a conversation, all without writing a single line of code, and it's free to start using right now. The people who figure this out early are going to have a massive advantage. While everyone else is still copy pasting text from chatbots, you'll be building real things, real tools, real assets for your business. And that's the difference. Now, if you want the full playbook on using AI tools like Gemini Canvas to actually grow your business and save hundreds of hours every month, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got the SOPs, the systems, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one. It's the best place to learn how to automate your workflow with tools like Gemini Canvas and actually get more customers. Link is in the comments and description. And if you want to connect with other people doing the same thing, join the AI Success Lab